Okay, everybody, I had to change the hood strut or hood support. Some people call it hood support. Well, my car has a little clip on the end. Basically, that's what holds up the hood when you're working under the hood. I have a 2016 Chevy Malibu, but a lot of times these are kind of like similar from car to car. Has a little knob on the bottom, and there's a clip behind these the struts there, and that's the knob on the top. All you have to do is connect the knobs to the hood support and you should be good to go. There's a metal clip on the behind the head of the support. I took a flathead screwdriver and pulled it out a little bit, and then once I had the support on the hood or on the knob, I would just push the clip back in to grab it. But on the top one, I didn't even have to do that. It just kind of like grabbed itself and clicked in. I got an American made one. It was like maybe between $20 and $30. No issue because I was using a stick or board to hold the thing up because the hood wouldn't stay up. So I ordered this. No real issues. See, once you get it up there, it's nice and snug. It pivots so you can do the bottom first and then do the top. There's the top. No issues. It was really easy. And now my hood stays up. Now I don't have to get a that board there like I was using. Don't need that anymore. So this worked out. This was a blessing. And all I needed was a flathead screwdriver. And that was it. Looks like we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.